Now that our tail lights are off of there, now we can remove the stock plate bracket. This is just going to take a 7/16. Again, a ratcheting wrench is preferred, but you can do it with a box end wrench. And undo that top bolt, nut and washer. There's a little square-headed bolt right there that comes right on out of there. Now, I'm not entirely sure how they got these bolts in here from the factory, because you kind of have to bend the plate bracket to get the screwdriver in there. So, we're going to bend the backside bracket. And we're going to bend this one down a little bit too. I have a hard time believing they did that at the factory. But this plate bracket's not going back on, so it's really not a big deal. And from there, we can lefty-loosey that out of there. There might be a nut on the inside. There should be enough room to get your hand up in there and just grab the nut. Or you might have to put a 7/16 wrench on it. And there's your bolt. That'll be the top part of your bracket. Then there's two more down here at the bottom. Take the next bolt out.